At Tetr, immersions are at the heart of the experience. As our students travel to 7 countries, they dive deep into the local business environment in each location.
In Dubai, we explore how companies like Emaar and Emirates operate. And in India, we study Tata's legacy and Zomato's innovation. In Singapore, we explore investment banks like Morgan Stanley in action.
In the US, we visit AI giants like OpenAI, Google, and Microsoft.
And in Europe, we witness Ferrari's assembly lines and craftsmanship of Ferragamo.
Seeing these businesses firsthand changes the way students think about business.
Instead of relying on books or videos, we visit headquarters, meet CEOs and CFOs, and experience operations in real time.
We tour assembly lines, tackle real-world business challenges, and even intern at these companies.
The lessons they learn in accounting, finance, in marketing come alive as they apply them to real scenarios, making it far more impactful than traditional and hypothetical case studies.
Immersions also include cultural landmarks. In India, we visit the parliament. In Ghana, we re-engage with the Asante tribe. In Singapore, we learn how the nation rose in 15 years. In Latin America, we experience the passion for football. And in Europe, we explore Italian design through Fendi.
By the end of 4 years, we're completely transformed, exposed to hundreds of cultures, diverse markets, and iconic global landmarks.
That equips them to think globally, act boldly, and take on the world with unmatched real-world exposure.